Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Shuga serving you with all the tips and tricks that you need to get your glow on. In today's video, I want to share with you the different ways that you can spot between the fake and the original K-Secret Seoul 1988 Retinol Serum. Now, let me point out that there are three different bottles, okay, currently in the market of the Seoul 1988 Retinol Serum, which has got a lot of people confused as to which of them is fake and which is original. Now, first of all, what you need to know is that two of those bottles are actually the original of the Seoul 1988 Retinol Serum, while one is the fake. So we're going to quickly talk about why these two bottles actually look different, even when they are both the original. And honestly, the only difference between these two bottles that I have said are the original is the fact that one is an old packaging while the other one is the new packaging of the Seoul 1988 Retinol Serum. Now, the one that comes with the weight and the size of the bottle written at the bottom in front is the new packaging, while the one that does not have this size written is actually the old packaging. And honestly, I do not blame people who think that one of this is actually the fake, because if I were the one who saw that the weight and the size of the bottle and its content is not written on it, I am going to freak out and I'll probably think that that product is actually fake. But no, in this case, the one without that information at the front, okay, the bottom front, is the old packaging of the Seoul 1988 Retinol Serum, while the other one is the new packaging. Now that that is out of the way, let us now actually spot the differences between these three bottles, okay, these two, okay, and the other single one that makes one of them fake and the others original. Now, if you watch closely at these bottles, you're going to notice that there is a color disparity, and that is the very first clear way that you can know which is fake and which is original. The fake one is the one that has its writing or write-ups written in a light color. Okay, if you notice, like, you pay close attention, I'm going to try to zoom the bottle a bit closer, all right, so that you can see the difference in the color. One is comes in a very light red color, while the other one comes in a deeper and a more darker shade of red. And that one that comes in a more darker shade of red also has its write-ups in bolder font style. Now, the one with the light color, of course, is the fake, and the one with the bold font and thick dark coloring is the original. Another quick thing that differentiates the original from the fake of this product is to look at the cap. Yes, that transparent cap that is used to cover the pump area of the serum, right? The one that looks cloudy is the fake one. The original one is clear and transparent, literally very clear. So, and now when you place those caps side by side to each other, you're going to notice that the other one, the one that is cloudy, also looks taller than the other ones. While the other ones, okay, the other two that I said were the old and new packaging of this serum, actually has their caps shorter and they are of the same length, the same width, as you can see from the pictures, of course, that I'm going to be showing to you on your screen right here. Now let's move from the cap to the bottle itself. If you look at the bottle, you're going to notice that the other one that comes in a cloudy cap or cloudy cover is actually shorter. The bottle is shorter with cap longer, while on the original ones, the bottles are longer and their caps shorter. I hope that makes sense. Since we are on the bottle of this serum, let us zoom closer to this bottle. You're going to notice that the pump, okay, that white area where you're supposed to press and pump your serum out from, comes in three parts in one of these bottles, while the other one comes in two parts. Of course, you can see the difference. The fake one has three parts, okay, the pump area itself, the other part that is in the middle, and the side, okay, that attaches itself to the bottle, while on the original one you can see that it only has the part that attaches itself to the bottle and the pump area where you press down to pump out your serum. And of course, another difference I noticed, okay, between these three bottles that will let you know, of course, that this other one, okay, that is apart is actually literally the fake of this product, is that when you look at the bottle, how do I, when you turn it, okay, I mean, you're going to see from the video, right? Let me use this. Like when you turn the bottle like this, I don't have it here with me, but like, I mean, you can see it already on the screen. But when you turn the bottle like this part, okay, that is attached to the bottle, this part of the cap that is attached to the bottle has a ring around it that is not very close to the edge or the tip of the bottle itself. However, on the fake one, this ring is absent. Now, here's another quick difference between the fake and the original. The pump of the fake comes with a round mouth. That place where the serum is supposed to come out from when you pump it out, right, comes in a round form like a small circle and is open, like you can literally see part of the content while it is pumping out, or even okay, part of the inner part of the pump just from looking at this small circle. Meanwhile, on the original one, the shape of that tip, okay, is actually rectangular in shape and it is very slim. You can barely make out what the inside looks like. Another giveaway sign, okay, or difference that will help you spot the fake and the original of this K-Secret Seoul 1988 retinol serum is to look at the write-ups at the bottom where you have the formulations, okay, the major ingredient that were used to formulate this product, and you know where the weight and the size of this bottle is supposed to be written, why the weight of this, why and where the weight and size of this bottle and its content is supposed to be written. They are all written on a light font, okay, just as I mentioned earlier, okay, right, for the main place where the other major write-ups are written. Same applies for the bottom part of this bottle. You're going to notice that it comes in light color red and in light font as against the original one that has bold letterings and thick red color. And last but not the least, okay, let's look at the actual content of this serum. Yes, you're going to see from the picture that I'm showing you here right now that this fake one, obviously, from even what you can see, right, the fake one comes in a deep yellow color, while the original ones, right, the old packaging and the new packaging, which are both original, come in a lighter, very light, bit like sort of baby yellow. I don't know if there's any color like that. But it comes in this like baby yellow color. And that, of course, my loves, brings me to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, share out this video, click on the thanks button, on the join button and the subscribe button to be exclusive members of this family. And of course, my loves, remember to share out this video. Until I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.